Today we're going to review the Hovan Home pasta attachment that goes on to your KitchenAid mixer, and we are going to make some pasta. I have some help here today. Rob is going to be mixing up the pasta and mixing up the dough, and we're going to put it through the attachment and show you how this works.
We're going to remove this, and it's a very simple process of just adding this in here. Okay. Now that's secured in place, and instead of it running down here, it will still turn, but it also has a mechanism in here that's going to turn this as well. So that's how these attachments happen to work. Now all we have to do is just make the pasta, and we'll be able to work with this, and we'll be on our way.
Okay. He's got his flour down onto the mat.
Yolks.
We're going to need egg yolk, Rob says, for this pasta dough.
Beautiful. Break up the yolk a bit. And now we're going to work it together. I really hope I don't have too much flour.
Look how yellow it is.
Yeah, it'll change. It'll change color.
It's a little bit messy.
That it is. It always gets messy. That's unavoidable. But that's why kids like to make it too. Okay, so we're about to go ahead, and we've made the pasta. We're about to go ahead and make the spaghetti now. Now what we want to do, if you could come over here, Jam, and look straight down. What we have are three different areas. We can make fettuccine in this one. We can make spaghetti, angel hair in this one. But this is the first one that it has to go through. This one has to smooth it out. Now, if you're making lasagna, this is the only one you'll be using. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab just a bit of the dough that I just made. I'm going to do a small part just so that you can see the process involved. We're going to turn this on. And I have this set to 1. That's opened up as much as possible, because what we want is we want to be able to go ahead and start flattening this out. And as you can see, it's going to flatten a little bit. I'm going to jump up just a couple of notches here. I'm going to send it through, because you don't want to do it all at once. You will jam the pasta. What this does is this slowly makes it just a little bit thinner each time it goes through. Going through again, and just let it, it'll take it. You've got to be careful, of course, but this is a pretty easy system to be able to work with here. We're going to put it through here. Now I'm being overcautious. You might be able to go ahead and jump through these a little bit quicker, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the thinnest setting possible, and then I'm going to flatten it out completely. And once I've done this, now, I'm going to make sure that I get a little bit more flour on this. And now, I'm going to put it through the actual angel hair. And get down below, Jim, because you're going to like it. When it comes out here, look at that. Oh, that's looking beautiful. And we now have angel hair pasta. That's good.